Alright, so we just got an update for the Tesla full self-driving and software. So we are going to be taking it for a test drive and see if anything changed. Mainly I want to try the U-turns. So we are on full self-driving beta 11.3.3, software version 2022.45.12. So let's go ahead and take this for a drive. Okay, so I'm gonna just drive this myself first. And let's try navigate to Golfland Milpitas. Alright, I'm letting it drive itself. Let's see what happens. Okay, obviously I'm keeping my hand on the wheel, just in case. So far so good. Okay, I think I set it to like 15% above the speed limit, so it's doing 29 right now in a 25 zone. Okay.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Jacqueline Road.
So far so good.
Now turn left onto Jacqueline Road.
Down here. Oh, it slows down pretty hard. Okay, there we go. Okay, staying on the inside lane like it should. So far so good. Let's see what happens when it gets to that barrier, because
in 500 feet, turn left.
There's a closed gate at the entrance here. It for some reason doesn't take the first entrance.
Now turn
the
left.
GPS takes it to the second one, but this second one, okay, it still does that wobbly, but it's better than before. And as you can see, there's stop signs here, so it just stops and it's not doing anything. It's like completely stopped. So if I push it, I push the pedal, what's gonna happen? It doesn't go. It just, like, the moment I let go, it just stops. So here you can see it shows stop. Oh, when I got really close to it, it tried to go. So that didn't work right. Anyways, we're gonna reverse. Good thing there's no cars here. Okay. And now let's see if I go this way. What happens if I tell it to go now? Go? Okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't see that. See, it doesn't see the other entrance. Where's it going? Oh, it does.
Now your destination is on the right.
Okay, so it saw it. I don't know why the GPS is showing somewhere far away. Okay, where are we going? Okay, I have to turn it off. It's going it's going to the back of the parking lot. Okay, need to turn around and get out of here. I mean, once we reach the destination, I guess it doesn't know where to go after that, so. Okay. And I guess we will navigate home.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Jacqueline Road.
Okay, I still don't trust it in parking lots and driveways, so I'm gonna do this myself. Okay. And okay, now the car can drive. We're at a red light though. Navigate to Golfland, Milpitas. Uh-oh. Slow down, you gotta do it. Too late.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Hillview Drive.
I waited too long.
Now make a U-turn to stay on
Let me do a
Jacqueline
U-turn
Road.
here somewhere. Which one has a U-turn? Is there a U-turn here? Oh, it has one. Okay, let's see if it will make a U-turn here.
Now make a U-turn at North Hillview Drive.
Oh, it made it. Okay, I'm curious if it will do a U-turn. Let's see. Nope. What? It doesn't know how to do U-turns. Like, it tries to, like, do a really wide U-turn. can't do it. Navigate home. Oops. I need to fix that. Okay. Navigate home. So I need to send a recording to them to tell them it's not able to do U-turns. Where is it going? I mean, technically it can do a U-turn here, but it doesn't want to do a U-turn here. So I'm going to go here and do it myself. It doesn't want to do a U-turn. So, navigate to Golfland Milpitas. I need to send the recording for them
In
to
500
fix it,
feet,
and I
turn
need to
left.
do it multiple times. Okay, so let's see if it will do a U-turn.
Now make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
Unable to complete maneuver. So it says unable to complete maneuver. If I push the pedal, it's actually doing it. It's doing it. I just have to push the pedal and it does it on its own. So it actually did fine this time. Navigate home. Oh, it's going like a long way. No thanks. I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna... Car fails to do U-turns properly, does wide turns out into the other lane, and then stops. They're going to be confused because it wasn't
Now
trying to do
turn
a
left
U-turn
onto
there.
Jacqueline Road.
They'll be confused because it wasn't trying to do a U-turn there, but okay. Navigate to Golfland. I'm going to send like 3 of those reports. Navigate to Golfland Milpitas. I'll try and send like 3 reports of the same thing just to
In 500 feet,
fix it.
make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
Wake up, wake up. Okay. Let's see.
Now make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
Unable to complete maneuver. Oh! Okay. When trying to make a U-turn, the car pulls out too far to the other, almost going into the other lane, and then it just...
In
oh, shit.
500 feet, turn left.
It didn't let me record my entire thing. Navigate home.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn to stay
See
on
if it does
Jacqueline
it.
Road.
Will it do it? Will it do it this time? Why is it
Now
going so
make a
fast?
U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
What the heck? Car said to make a U-turn to stay on the road, but instead it sped up and went straight through.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Kai Orient.
Okay, we're gonna get this U-turn bug fixed, hopefully, eventually. Navigate to Golfland Milpitas.
In 500 feet, turn right.
I don't know why, but the car feels like it accelerates faster,
Now
harder.
turn right.
I don't know, it feels like it accelerates
Now
faster.
your destination is on the right.
Okay, let's see if I can pass this and then let it U-turn. Wake up. It's like I already passed my stop, so it's confused. Okay, go. Do your thing. There we go.
Now make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
Is it gonna... Whoa! Navigate on autopilot when trying to do a U-turn, goes out wide into the other lane, and then it stops because it fails. Navigate home. It doesn't want to do the U-turn this time. Navigate home.
In 500 feet, make a
Let's try it
U-turn to
again.
stay on Jacqueline Road.
It's speeding up like crazy here.
Now make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
U-turn, do the U-turn. Boy! What the? When trying to do a U-turn, the car was going straight through way too fast, then stopped halfway in between the U-turn lane.
Turn right onto Kai Orient.
Oh my god. U-turns is not allowed. Okay, let's try again. Navigate to Golfland Milpitas. I'll do this like 1 or 2 more times. This is not good for my
Now
tires.
turn left onto Jacqueline Road.
But I'll do this 1 or 2 more times. Hopefully this will
Now
help
turn
their
right.
thing learn how to do U-turns.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
Okay, let's see if it will do it this time. Okay, it didn't update
Now
the
make a
GPS
U-turn
yet,
to
but it
stay on
knows.
Jacqueline Road.
It didn't update the GPS screen yet, but let's see. Okay, it's pulling out. Nope, it doesn't do it. Okay, I have to push the pedal, and then it does it. Well, I'm gonna stop it there. While attempting to do a U-turn, the car pulls out wide, and then it stops for me to push the pedal. But it's a little bit risky.
In 500 feet, turn left.
Navigate home.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn to
Try it
stay
again.
on Jacqueline Road.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna try slowing it down and see
Now
what
make a
happens.
U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
Okay, it's in the... No! While attempting to make a U-turn, the car goes out into the opposite lane, or the further lane, almost hitting other cars. Okay, I think that's good enough. Hopefully that's enough feedback for them to work on it. But yeah, don't trust it with U-turns. Don't trust the car with U-turns. Navigate home. Okay, I'll let it drive me home because I know it does fine with this. But yeah, U-turns, don't trust it. Speed-wise, when I slowed it down, it
right
did go
onto
into
North Hillview
the
Drive.
right lane. But again, to do
Now
the
turn
U-turn,
right
see,
onto
look,
North
it's going
Hillview
like way
Drive.
too fast in here. What in the world? I mean, I guess it's doing okay, but it speeds up so fast. Holy moly. Speed limits, okay, it fixed it already. Okay, but yeah, so while doing U-turns, it likes to go out into the other lane to give it more room on the left. And yeah, that's not good. It's like gonna hit another car. I think if another car's there, it won't do it because it knows to avoid other cars. But whether there's a car there or not, it should not be going into the other lane. So yeah. Alright, and I guess that's the end of that.
Your destination will
Other
be
than
on
the
the right.
U-turn things, the full self-driving has been doing really well. I mean, it never was able to do U-turns before. At least now it attempts it,
Now your
but
destination is on the
it
right.
definitely is going to have to learn how to do U-turns because it does it wrong. Like, really wrong. Alright, so anyways, we're just gonna park now. And that's pretty much it. Watch out, kitty cat. You're gonna get run over. Oh, they parked far this time. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.